everyone, I am Jessica. Today I come to Tia Jackson's class and Tia Jackson said, today no homework, and we said, yeah, but new speech, yeah. He said, the speech's name is Make a Safe Place for Animals. And I come back to home and said, make a safe place for animals. How to make? I know! Write my speech. And I said, make a safe place for animals and I just fell asleep. And I see a koala, a panda, a koi tiger, and a David lion is in the cage. And I said, why are you on the cage? And I said, make a safe place for us. And I said, how to make? And I said, write your speech. And I said, okay. And I'm out the dream. And when I woke up, I said, oh, what a bad dream. And my cat just come here to tell me, said, no, my son, it is real. I said, what? And I said, my friend just called me, said, they tell you to make a safe place for animals. And, oh, real? I said, yes. And I said, make a safe place for animals. Oh, I know!